If you're looking for neon wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 neon wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by 3D Rose. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Neonetics. Number 3, by Sterling and Noble. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Trademark Gameroom. Number 5, also by Trademark Gameroom. Find these neon wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Neonetics. Number 7, by Trademark Gameroom. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Neonetics. Number 9. Discover more neon wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Coca-Cola.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.